Today I'm cooking buttermilk chicken. It is simple and very delicious. Imagine crispy fried chicken coated with milky and creamy butter sauce. It is so yummy. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 400 grams of chicken, bite size. I am using chicken breast meat, 4 stems of curry leaves, 5 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour. This is what it looks like. 2 tablespoons of water, 55 grams of unsalted butter, 2 pieces of red bird eye chili cut to small pieces, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 200 ml of evaporated milk. Start with mixing tapioca flour with water. This is used to thicken the buttermilk gravy later on. Put it aside. Next, marinate the chicken. Sprinkle the salt over the chicken, pepper, and paprika powder. Rub the seasoning on the chicken to spread them evenly. Once the chicken is well coated with the seasoning, add in about 3 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour to coat the chicken evenly. Some parts are not well coated. For this part, slowly sprinkle the balance of gogi tempura flour on the chicken to cover them. Alright, chicken is ready. Now we can fry them. To deep fry the chicken, the oil needs to be very hot. To check if the oil is hot enough, dip the tip of the wooden chopstick in the hot oil. If there are bubbles, the oil is ready for deep frying. Use the long wooden chopstick to pick up the chicken piece by piece and put it in the hot oil. I will be cooking the chicken in 2 batches. Alright, the first batch is in the oil. Fry the chicken for 5 minutes or until golden brown. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. After 5 minutes, the chicken is well cooked and has turned into a lovely golden brown. Remove them from the hot oil and rest them on the cooling rack. Continue to fry the second batch for 5 minutes or until golden brown. Alright, all the chickens are all cooked. Remove and place them together with the first batch. Switch off the heat to reduce the oil temperature. Take 2 stems of curry leaves and fry them in the hot oil for about 30 seconds. Remove it from the oil and leave them aside. Next, cooking the buttermilk sauce. Heat the pan, add in all the butter. Once the butter starts melting, add in the garlic, chili, and the balance of curry leaves. Stir for about 45 seconds or until the ingredients release their aromas. Do not cook longer than 1 minute as the butter burns very fast. After 45 seconds, add in the evaporated milk and stir. Add in the sugar and bring it to boil. After about 1.5 minutes, the buttermilk sauce comes to a rolling boil. Give it a stir. Next, add in the tapioca flour mix and stir. The sauce is a little thin now, but once the fried chicken is added, the consistency will be just perfect. Lastly, add in the fried chicken. Mix well until the chicken is well coated with buttermilk sauce. This will take around 30 seconds. Now the buttermilk sauce is thick and creamy with the right consistency. Switch off the heat. It is ready. Very simple and easy. This is best served immediately once cooked while the chicken is hot and crispy. Let's dish out and serve. Finally, garnish with fried curry leaves. Beautiful! Let's eat! Oh wow, it is so delicious. The chicken is tasty, crispy outside and the inside is tender with a hint of spiciness from paprika. The buttermilk sauce is fragrant and very creamy. With a little spiciness from the chili, this dish is very savory, delicious and creamy. It is best served with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.